Hi boss, today let's talk about life. Are you doing exercise and gym or yoga? For me, I like it so much because every day I did yoga and gym. So some of our sofa inspired by my life, by your life. Like this one, we call layer cloud. What do you think about the armrest part? It looks like muscle, right? And also, we have one bamboo cloud we selling very good at 2025. So that's why this is layer cloud. We put the same design concept for the cushion. You can take it out and then with zipper wash. And then the whole of cover, we using very comfortable fabric. Inside is goose feather. So that's why people sitting here, it's like cloud sofa, but very special design. So that's why yesterday we got very good feedback from the customer and also sure we got the order. So if you are interested, contact us.